Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. We help folks who owe significant back tax debt to the IRS or their state, as well as folks who have gotten behind on their tax return filings. If either of those apply to you, give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX, 866-8000-829 for a free consultation, or visit us at choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the homepage, and we will reach out to you. Today, I am talking to Paula, who comments on my video about how to file back taxes. Hello, Logan. I did not file my tax returns for 22 and 23. How bad will this look? Paula, I'm going to be honest with you. Not bad at all. You're only behind. I mean, I'm recording this video at the end of 2024. I mean, your 2023 returns were just due if you got an extension a couple months ago. They're due in April still. That's only 8 months ago. 2022 was just due last year. And maybe I'm a little jaded because, we get people who come to us who haven't filed in like a decade or more, right? And guess what, pal? They're still okay. It's still fixable, right? Your case is very fixable. For one thing, you probably have, most, if not all of your tax documents, right, from those years, especially because so many companies now send them electronically. That wasn't necessarily the case even 5 years ago, right? So you could probably go through your emails and find these tax documents relatively easily now. For another thing, Paula, you can still e-file your 2022 and 2023 returns. As I'm recording this in December 2024, e-file has shut down for individual returns, but it's going to start back up again next month in January 2025. Okay, and you can e-file. You can still e-file these returns, so you don't have the pain in the butt of having to go back and paper file them and wait for the IRS to process them. Third about Paula, if you're owed refunds for these years and you file these returns, let's say next year sometime in 2025, you're still going to get those refunds, right? It's most of the people who come to us who haven't filed the returns in several years, they owe the IRS money on those years, but sometimes we get people who haven't filed in several years, we get them caught up, and they've missed out on their refunds, or at least some of their refunds, right? Because you have 3 years from the original due date of the return or the extended due date, if you got an extension for the year, to file your return in order to get a refund for that year. Okay, but Paula, you're still well in that 3-year window, right? Because for 2022, if you didn't get an extension, right, that original due date was in April 2023, you have until April 2026 to file and get a refund, right? So Paula, I'd say you're good, right? You can e-file these returns. Hopefully you have all your tax docs. If you don't, you can always, just get your transcripts from your IRS account online. So, Paula, you really don't have anything, to worry about. If you deal with the IRS money, I mean, they will tack on some penalties and interest, right? The interest rate, I've talked about how IRS calculates interest. Link that video at the top of the screen. You'll be looking at a failure to file penalty, which at this point would be 25% of the tax due on the return. You'll also be looking at a failure to pay penalty, which would be 0.5% a month of the tax due on the return, for the number of months that the payment's been late, right? Basically since April of the successive years. So, So, Paula, I would say, you're going to be looking at some penalties and interest here. You might be able to get some of that abated, depending on your situation, for reasonable cause, maybe even first-time abatement for 2022 or 2023. If 2022 was in a refund and the prior 2 years were, clean. So I would say just get ahead of this now, Paula, because it's a lot easier to catch up on 2 years than to psych yourself out and think, oh, I'm in big trouble, I'm going to put this off. And next thing you know, it's 2028 and you haven't filed 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. And then you have to call us and, we can fix it, but it's just a bigger problem at that. And we can fix it for you too with 2 years, but it's just a bigger problem when you have 6 years of unfiled returns compared to 2. So I would say get on it, Paula. If you want to talk to us, get a quote from us, give us a call, 866-8000-TAX, 866-8000-829 to see what we could do for you there. If you have unfiled tax returns, I would say the same thing as I said to Paula. Give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX. You can also watch the videos on the left-hand side of the screen here, kind of my flagship video about how to file, get caught up on your tax returns you haven't filed. Is right up here at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. How to file your back taxes, avoid penalties, and get on with your life. I also have my whole playlist on unfiled tax returns down here at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.